How to log in into blockchain wallet account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on this video we will learn how we can log in into blockchain wallet account. So without any further delay, let's get started with this video. Open up your preferred browser, head towards the search bar and type in blockchain.com. Press enter in your keyboard. That's gonna land you to its official website. Now, in order to log in into your account from this home page, navigate to top right. There you'll find login button. Click on it. Then that's gonna take you to their login page. Here, first of all, you have to enter your email or your wallet ID that is associated with your account. So make sure you type in your correct email or your wallet ID. And under that, enter your password. Make sure you type in your correct password which is associated with your blockchain wallet account. After that, click on continue. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will need to enter the code that is sent to your authentication method, that is your application, or that may be your application or your SMS. So enter the code to proceed. Now, once you have successfully logged in, you can access your wallet and manage your cryptocurrency. And that's how you can log in into your blockchain wallet account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.